All right, guys, we are super excited to announce this. We don't bring in a lot of new SKUs and species here at our sheep veneer department, but we have some new and exciting ones we know you guys are going to love. This is quartered figured fumed eucalyptus. Just a little sneak peek at what we have coming. We will also have oak species and eucalyptus in different matching and cuts. So we're going to have quartered plain, plank match, and all different appearances within this color range to give you that dark, luxurious color.